We have a coat hanger holding this on over here. This rear muffler doesn't look quite too bad. A little bit. And then back here, look, we got a hole there. You don't need a smoke machine to see that. So this needs to be replaced. And then further back, there's a hole in that resonator as well. Now, if I was gonna reuse the rear muffler, because it's really not that bad, there's a little bit of cracking. You might as well replace it at this time, but if you had to, I could cut it right about there. It'd be nice to cut right here, but that's where the new middle pipe attaches. You'd have to cut right around this mark here. So what I'm gonna do is cut it on this side first. Then we can pull it all out, and if I need to, we can always trim it back. Measure twice, cut once. On this side, there's no brake lines. The brake line's on the other side. So there's no fuel lines. There we go. Alright, let's cut those coat hangers off. And then for the exhaust hanger, I have this cool tool. Alright, I'm going to use these exhaust hanger pliers. Pops that right off. That comes off. Pull this right out. There we go. You can see in the front where it's leaking right there. So we're going to take this off right here. I thought those bolts were 10 millimeters. I guess not. And then we're going to have to take that clamp off. All the tools will be linked in the description. I use a 13 millimeter socket. Like that. And you could take these panels off if you want to, but you can work around it. Just pull it down, pull that out of the way. There we go. It's separated. Okay, now we gotta take these hangers off. These pliers work great. You can use a pry bar, but it's not nearly as easy. Here we go. And now it's down on the ground. It's actually not as loud as I would have thought it would have been. This is the coupler I'm going to use, and you're going to need two of them. Slides right on. Right, so on these heat shields, some of these retainers have rusted off. You can buy these for pretty inexpensively, so I will have links in the description for these as well. Just get those in there, push those in place. You can use a socket and a hammer if you want, just to get them on a little tighter. This will prevent your heat shields from rattling. You don't just hammer those on. Get that lined up. If you really need to, you could use a little bit of silicone spray, WD-40 or whatever you want to use. Slides right in place. A little easier if you have a lift. There you go. That looks good. We'll have to put the coupler there. Connect right there. There we go. That looks nice. Just put a jack stand under there, just so it's close. Before we tighten this one down, you want to put the coupler over there in the front. Get that all set, and then we can tighten this one down. All right, I'm gonna use some of this muffler sealer where the joints are gonna go. So you can spread that. It's pretty obvious. You know what it is. It's just like RTV. 2000 degrees. Should be good. Just to seal it up. Make sure it's all set. Just goop it on. Move it around with a brush. You can wire brush this if you want to, but it should be okay. Make sure you get it all the way around. Get this lined up. Try to hold that in place. That looks pretty good right there. Okay, still gotta tighten it down in the back. You want to make your adjustments so this tailpipes look good. You can raise it up or lower it however you need to. Now we're gonna do the same with this clamp. I'm putting the nuts on the more inboard side. It's gonna be easier to tighten them right here than have them on that side. So just slide this back first. Put some of that muffler putty on. And this stuff's optional, but I just think it'll hold up better if you do this. Alright, just make sure that looks good. Give it a wiggle. Right. Yeah, that looks good.